Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie and I'm bringing you another installment in my Craft Room Clean With Me series. We are tackling some more of the cardstock in my craft room. This is not the end of it by any stretch of the imagination, but we are going to look at some of what I'm calling my theme paper. And this would be mostly 12 by 12, but would also include some embellishments. Okay, so I'm calling this one Brocade Vintage and Embossed. And there's not much in here. So let's see if we can move this somewhere else. No, 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 no. This is pretty, and this is pretty. This is that embossed paper. I don't know if you can see it. It's got like a very fine leaf, and I've got a few sheets of these. I don't even want to know how old these are. Oh, they don't have a date. I would say these have got to be at least, oh, probably 12 or 13 years. Let me move those over to solid. What do we got here? Yeah, you know, I'm just not feeling it's the light cardstock. I've got more of that stencil cut stuff, so I'm going to move that over to my mixed media. And this is the only piece I may consider keeping because it is flocked. It's so pretty. I think I'm going to put this in with my Christmas stuff because I think that's where I'm likely to use it. And the rest of this, we're going to purge, so we have another empty box. Okay, the next box I have is what I call seasonal and occasions, and I think I would like to split this into two boxes. We'll see what I have in here of what to make the determination of what goes where, but it is pretty full, and while I expect that I'm going to get rid of a bunch of stuff, I think this is too broad of a topic. So let's see what we've got in here. I've got some Valentine's. What, this is all Valentine's, yeah. And actually I have, remember when I did the 6x6 paper purge, I have a Valentine's section there, so I might just, if I end up doing a separate box, pull that out of the 6x6 and contain it in here. These decorative emoji clips, I did not buy these specifically. They came in a warehouse box, and I think I'm just going to get rid of them because it's not really my style. This was the Carpe Diem, I think it's Carpe Diem? Yeah, Carpe Diem Snap Pack. I'm going to move these over with my Project Life cards, yeah. Let's see what the back side of this is. Yeah, we're going to get rid of this. This just is not, the heart one's not so bad. And this one's kind of cute. Okay, so this will go over there. I'm getting rid of those. This we'll put in with the love theme, Valentine theme, whatever you want to call it. This is Simple Stories Romance and Forever, I think, is what we've got going on here. So let's see how much between those two we have, and we may just put them in a page protector. Someone who doesn't really get into Valentine's Day other than to send cards to my nephews and nieces, I sure have a lot of Valentine stuff. Okay, so this is summertime themed. Summer days. What do we got here? Summer days, summer days. And I would probably use most of this, so let's get another page. And that goes in with that too. What do we got here? We've got Hello Fall. Hello Fall. Yeah, more of the pocket stuff. Let's see. The thing is, with living in Southern California, it's like the whole pumpkin kind of sweater weather thing just doesn't quite translate so well. But it is what it is. So in this case, I will leave the snap pack here specifically because it does coordinate, and I'm not likely to do a lot of pocket pages with it, so this way I could use them as embellishments. Okay, so we've got Simple Stories. This is their theme, love theme. And let's be real, I don't think I'm going to use this, so we're going to get rid of that. Let's look at the 6x6 paper pad. Yeah, we're going to get rid of that too. This is from Echo Park, and I think I've used this once or twice. Still like that. That's summer themed. Summer Vibes from Simple Stories. These are like page dividers. I do like that. This is also by Photoplay. I just got this last year, and it's kind of got a summertime theme to it, so I'm going to hold on to that too. Spring. Okay. What else do we got here? Am I going to use Easter stuff? No, so we're going to get rid of that. This is Fancy Pants, Sweet Nothings. Oh, and I got some Simple Stories Love and Adore in here. So let's get rid of the Love and Adore. Yeah, let's get rid of that. They did kind of coordinate. Let's see. Would I use these? I think I would probably use these more as solids and stripes. So we'll move that over. Okay, what do we got here? The Story of Us. So we got a cut apart photo sheet, and yeah, I don't think I'm going to use this, but this is kind of cool. I'll move that over. Okay, I've used this quite a bit already. I do like the music sheet, so I'm going to get rid of that, keep the music sheet. I don't know why I love music sheets, because I never really, you know, go to musical events that I need them. Okay, so this is all the, like, what do you call it, months of the year. And I'm going to hold on to that because I think that might be kind of cool. I'm not into Halloween, so we're going to get rid of that. And I think I'm going to get rid of those. Pool paper I'm going to get rid of. Ice cream sundaes I'm going to get rid of. This is kind of cool. Another day, rainy day, we'll keep that. I like the hearts. This is also another calendar, you know, kind of related thing. So I'm going to hold on to those for another year. But I really do need to come up with, a project to use it. Okay, so now we've got, this is like very birthday specific. Yeah. I'm going to hold on to this. I don't know if I have tons of birthdays left to scrapbook, but I am going to hold on to it just in case. And I'm going to separate that out because this is more seasons calendar, and this is more like celebrations and occasions. So I think that's what I'm going to do. This one here is a birthday wishes. I haven't even touched that one yet. Same with this one, Soak Up the Sun, which is more of a summer theme. So let's put these back in here. See what we got. Maybe I got rid of enough and I can keep both in here. No, it's pretty full. It's pretty full. So we'll just keep seasonals in this one, and we'll move occasions somewhere else. What I want to do is just go through here really quickly and pull out anything that I absolutely know I will never use. Anything else, I will just, when I go through and pull all my stuff for December Daily, I'll do a little bit of a better purge at that point in time. The box is pretty full though, so yeah, that's all I can say. The box is pretty full. Speaking of December Daily, have any of you guys given any thought to what you're going to do? I I broke down, even though I have a ton of Christmas stuff, and I need more, like I need a hole in the head. You know, Allie Edwards shows her stuff and all of a sudden I must have it all. So I did buy the main kit. I don't think I'm going to use a traditional album though. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. I have a feeling I'm going to love all of this because I just love Christmas. Okay, let's start by putting this sheet in. Okay, we're going to get rid of that. Some of this, when I say get rid of it, I'm going to actually just put in with my, what do you call it? That bin I was showing you where I used to make what I used to make envelopes. I absolutely adore this paper, but I don't live in a winter environment anymore, so we're going to put that over with the card making, and that too. Okay. This would be cute for December Daily one year, I think. The alphabet. Ooh, that might be fun. Okay, we're going to hold on to that. Actually, that goes over there for now. Okay, you guys, this paper I've had forever, but I just love it. It's just so pretty. And I think that's why I bought so many sheets of it. Seriously. How many sheets did I buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a partial, and I think I must have used about 4 or 5 sheets already. And I just still love it, so I'm not going to get rid of it. It's 2002. Isn't that crazy? But I need to make a point to make some cards with it. Same with this paper. It's just so pretty. This is from Provo Craft. It's from 2003, and this was Anna Griffin. So I do love both of these patterns. I think they're classical in they're classic in their design, and I do like to use them for card making, and I can definitely see myself using them for scrapbooking, so we'll hold on to that. This, I believe, was close to my heart, if memory serves me correctly, and I have used some of this already, as you can see, and I've got, that's really pretty, I've got some paper left. Let me see. This is solid cardstock, so let's move that out. I do really like some of these pieces, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these out and I'll just make some cards with them. Same with, what's this? Okay, are they single-sided? No, they're double-sided, of course. Okay, I'm going to pull this out and use this to make some Christmas cards this year, because it's still cute, and I know I can do that. Another project. Time to get it done. I really like this cardstock too. It's actually not cardstock, it's paper. I think this was close to my heart as well, and it coordinates so well. This is cardstock and different collection, but I thought it went together. So I'm going to keep this because I think it's kind of fun. So far I'm not doing so good on Christmas. I knew that. I see the potential in everything. It's part of my problem. This is really pretty. Oh, Christmas tree, but do I need 2 sheets of it? No. So let's get rid of one. Oh, I love this collection from Craft. It's so beautiful. I haven't used it, but it's beautiful. I'm keeping it. This Bo Bunny collection is super cute. This one is quite pretty as well. Haven't even touched that one. Echo Park. This is Doodlebug for cutesy theme. Music. Can't go wrong with that. Bella Boulevard, and okay, I've done a whole album with this, and let's be real, I'm not going to use it again. Okay, let's go through stickers and stuff. So that would make a cute album. Stickers are good. I like this paper. I like these stickers. Let's pull the paper over here. This is cute. Yeah, like those. Like those. Felicity Jane. Yeah. Like those. Okay, so I have 6x6 paper over in my 6x6 boxes, and I have a whole box dedicated to it. And I think I'm going to move this over there. Because I have so much 6x6 Christmas paper, it won't fit in here anyway, so I feel okay with having that separated. Yeah. Move that over. These are extra. That's cute. I still like that. These are old too. This is from Creative Memories. Let's be real. Are you going to use these? Maybe to make a card. Let's put that with the things to make cards. See if we can use it up. Onto that. I thought these were kind of fun. I'm not sure what I would use them for. Maybe make some ornaments. So I'm going to keep those. Flair's always good. I have some gold doilies. I bought these last year thinking I could put them in my December daily. They never made it in. I'm going to get rid of the Felt Fusion. These gold stars are always useful. I bought these little pins either to make an advent calendar or to use in my December daily. I think I can pull the pin part off and then just use them like Flair. It's leftovers. Okay. And good cheer. And I have these little trees, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I feel like I need to keep them. So at least this box is a little bit more manageable. I feel good about that. I got rid of a ton of stuff, which I don't think I'm going to regret. So we're going to put this on, and you'll probably see this again when I go through and set up my December daily stuff. So let me put this away, put the 6x6 paper away, and we'll call that a wrap. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.